Longevity is the hottest topic in wellness right now, and there's one supplement you might be overlooking that's gaining serious momentum: NMN. But here's where it gets controversial. While collagen used to dominate the anti-aging scene, NMN, Nicotinamide Mononucleotide, a key NAD+ booster, is quickly stealing its spotlight as the go-to nutraceutical for aging gracefully. In today's crowded supplement market, it's crucial to pick your formulas wisely and consult healthcare professionals before diving in. One standout option is Wonderfeel Youngr, an NMN supplement crafted by a Harvard-trained expert who has spent nearly 3 decades studying NAD+ and cellular health. This combination of credible expertise and solid scientific backing makes Wonderfeel Youngr NMN a compelling choice for those serious about longevity. What makes Wonderfeel Youngr so special in terms of ingredients? It's more than just NMN. Every dose packs a solid 900 milligrams of NMN, working alongside a powerful blend of ingredients scientifically supported for anti-aging benefits. Ergothioneine. This antioxidant plays a key role in shielding cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which accelerates aging. Resveratrol. Famous for its presence in red wine, this natural compound supports brain function, heart health, and promotes lasting cellular vitality. Hydroxytyrosol, derived from olives. This molecule helps balance inflammation and supports metabolic and cardiovascular wellness. Vitamin D3. Not just for bones, vitamin D3 is vital for immune system health and gut balance, while also playing a role in stem cell production. Together, these ingredients create a synergistic formula designed to enhance energy at the cellular level, boost cognitive function, and promote overall health and longevity. One of the big draws of Wonderfeel Youngr NMN is its price point. At about $52 per bottle, it comes out to just $1.52 per milligram of NMN, significantly more affordable than many competing options, making consistent, long-term use more achievable. But how exactly does NMN support your body's aging process? Dr. Christina Collins, a respected board-certified dermatologist, explains that when taken orally or applied topically, NMN converts into NAD+, a molecule critical for mitochondrial function, combating oxidative damage and cellular repair. These processes naturally decline as we age, so boosting NAD+ can help slow biological aging. Adding another layer to the conversation, anti-aging physician Dr. Azza Halim points out that NAD+ supplementation might also improve insulin sensitivity and metabolic health, somewhat like GLP-1 medications. However, she stresses the importance of how the supplement is delivered, noting that intravenous NAD+ treatments offer fast relief for fatigue, while oral supplements like NMN benefit those seeking sustained daily support. Not everyone should be rushing to add NMN to their regimen. Dr. Anna Chacon, a board-certified dermatologist, reminds us that natural NMN production dips after age 40, making supplementation especially relevant for adults in this age group and older. Younger individuals, including children and those in their 20s or early 30s, typically maintain sufficient NMN levels naturally and may not need supplementation, though starting younger is a discussion best had with a healthcare provider. Dr. Collins also advises caution for pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as individuals with chronic health issues, emphasizing the need for medical guidance before starting NMN. So whether you're eager to get ahead of age-related decline or simply want an added boost in energy and mental clarity, Wonderfeel Youngr NMN could be the missing link in your anti-aging toolkit. But what do you think? Are supplements like NMN the future of longevity, or just another wellness fad? Which side do you fall on, and why? Let's get the conversation going.